This week we're going to talk about a critical time period for pollination for that second crop corn in Brazil. We're also going to highlight a slow start to the planting progress here in the U.S., as well as short-term weather trends. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We moved into the last half of April here, and there's a lot going on, not only domestically here in the U.S. as we begin corn planting, but more critically short-term is what the crop looks like in Brazil. We're going to start out this week looking at where that corn is produced in Brazil. We've highlighted this before, but it bears repeating. Mato Grosso in the far north is the largest corn-producing state in Brazil. As you move north to south, Goiás, 13%, Paraná, 18%, and Mato Grosso do Sul, 13%. As we approach pollination here, it's critical to look at the short-term weather trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We'll start out here looking at a proxy for subsoil moisture over the last 30 days. You can see in the northern part of Brazil, it's drying out a little bit. They do have some subsoil moisture, but it has been drying out. The dry season has begun in Brazil a bit earlier than normal. As we move further south, the moisture is better. Now we're looking at the critical next 14 days. Approximately half of the corn crop is pollinating in Brazil as we speak here in late April. So the next 14 days, you can see not a lot of moisture in the north. As you move further south, it's a little bit better. Cool conditions are mitigating that to some degree, but this will be critical to watch this weekend, especially how much rainfall they receive. Let's switch gears now and talk about corn planting progress in the U.S. Let's take a look at our nationwide map. Now we're starting out here a bit slower than normal, albeit it's only as of April the 17th, but we're at 4% nationwide compares to 2% last week and 7% last year, 6% for the 5-year average. Just for comparison, we did get off to a quick start last year. A few states, Illinois at 11% last year, Iowa at 4%, Minnesota at 3%. Each of those states is at 0% so far. Now let's look at the history of corn planting progress. From April 17th to May 1st, the next 2 weeks, approximately 27% of the corn is planted. So by May 1st, the 5-year average is about a third of the corn crop is planted. Will we reach that goal this year? Of course, the weather will have a direct impact on that. Let's take a look at our short-term weather trends here in the U.S. Now we're looking at rainfall the last 14 days, more of a proxy for topsoil moisture in this case. Very dry, as you can see out west. As we move further east, it's a little bit better. As you get further north, they've had too much following that blizzard last week in North Dakota. Now we're going to look at Wednesday through Friday. That pink area highlighted here is a ½ inch to 1 inch of rain. So there is some rainfall forecast. The light green area is more of the scattered variety. Now we're stretching into the weekend early next week, Saturday through Monday, heavier amounts. The pink area is 1 to 2 inches here, and a little bit further east, there's still some moisture evolving there. Now next week, it looks like it's going to cool down again quite a bit, and that green area represents more of a disorganized pattern or scattered rainfall events. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn futures. Now we're looking at December corn here trading near $7.50 a bushel, highest price ever by far for this time period. We continue to strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement. Now if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us, 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.